Seaboard is that line right between the land and the sea. It's that decision point. Where are you gonna be? You gonna be wet or you gonna be dry? Your feet gonna be alive in the sand, or they're gonna be swimming the little toesies in the water. That's the Seaboard short. Yeah, right there on that human. It's got a regular fit, elastic waist short with internal drawcord. Faux fly. Fake out that fly. I love a faux fly because I'll tell you what, I often forget to XYZ, zip up my zipper.
Oh.
So you don't have to worry about it. We put a faux fly in there so you never have to worry about leaving your fly down. Back on seam hand pockets with its
button
closure. Curved back yoke. It's got a back on seam pocket with its
button
closure. Keep your things tight. Don't lose stuff. Put it in the back.
Button
It up. This is built for Bonnaroo, that music festival. It's also built for chillin'. The Seaboard short screams pura vida, Costa Rica, pure life, vibes with its relaxed yarn dye twill fabric. Stash hand pockets.
Button
Back pocket, we've already talked about that. My bad. Wanted to revisit the pocket. It's got a back curve yoke and elastic webbing waist with a drawcord. You'll pair it up with that Seaboard hoodie and your festival kit is complete. Co-ord. I'm matching from top to bottom. The Seaboard short is made out of 5.5 ounces of 100% certified organic cotton yarn dye diagonal basket weave vertical stripe. Bam! Put that on some paper and write it down so you remember it and put it in your back
button
pocket so you know when someone's like, yo, look at that short. Sick. What's it made out of? Well, you got it all written down already. And whoever asked that? Anyway, yeah, hey, what is that fabric made out of? Well, just in case you want to know, and you're the person that asked that question, we reviewed it. So hopefully you watched and you remembered, because I'm not going to say it again.
What's that fabric made out of again?
5.5 ounces of 100% certified organic cotton yarn dye diagonal basket weave vertical stripe.